Hello, learner. Welcome to Zero to Embedded YouTube channel. Today topic temperature sensor NTC interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. You will understand step-by-step approach. How to interface NTC sensor with 8051 microcontroller. Smarter learner, smarter world. Became real embedded engineer. Let's get start. Agenda. Chapter 1. Introduction. Chapter 2. Tools. Chapter 3. Concept. Chapter 4. Software. Chapter 5. Simulation. Chapter 6. Flash software. Chapter 7. Hardware results. Chapter 1. Introduction. Today topic temperature sensor NTC interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. In this video you will learn about what are the tools required, schematic diagram nothing but how to do connections, how to write embedded C code nothing but software, how to simulate code, how to flash software on 8051 development board and hardware results. Chapter 2. Tools. 1. Kyle-eyed software. 2. Prog ISP, USB software. 3. 8051 development board. 4. USB ISP programmer, hardware. 5. USB port drivers. 6. LCD and LED. 7. Temperature sensor. Nothing but NTC. Chapter 3. Concept. Take 8051 development board, connect port 1 pins to LCD display like showing in circuit diagram, connect VCC to 5V power supply. Connect RS to port 3.0, connect RW to port 3.1, connect N to port 3.2. Connect port 0 pin 0 to lead anode terminal and connect cathode to ground pin. Connect digital output signal pin to port 0 pin 7 pin of 8051 controller. Connect VCC to 5V power supply and connect ground to ground pin. Like showing in circuit diagram. Pause the video and understand the connections carefully. Chapter 4. Software. Step 1. Create project. Step 2. Create new file. Step 3. Write embedded C code. Step 4. Save with C extension. Step 5. Open target right-click provide frequency 11.0592 and enable create hex filebox. Step 6. Build it. Step 7. C code complied successfully and without errors. Pause the video and understand the steps. Pause the video and take a note of embedded C code of temperature sensor interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Chapter 5. Simulation. Step 1. Click on Debug. Step 2. Click on Start. Step 3. Click on Run. Step 4. Open peripherals port 0, port 1, port 3. Step 5. See simulation. Pause the video and understand the steps. Chapter 6. Flash software. Step 1. Open Prog ISP and select target AT89S52. Step 2. Load hex file. Step 3. Click on Auto button. Step 4. Look at results window flash successful. Hardware connections. Connect Prog ISP hardware to 8051 development board. Connect another end to laptop. Chapter 7. Hardware results. Hardware connections. 8051 port 1 connected to LCD display, LCD-RS, RW. N pins are connected to port 3 of 3.0, 3.1, 3.2. Connect temperature sensor digital output signal to port 0 of 7 pin and connect VCC to 5V power supply and connect ground to ground. Connect LED to port 0 of 0 pin like showing in the video. Pause the video and understand the connections. Hardware results are out here. Thanks for watching. Today you learned about temperature sensor interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Subscribe to 0 to Embedded YouTube channel and upskill your skills.